5 more memory gems. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Common English Bible. I know the plans I have in mind for you, declares the Lord. They are plans for peace, not disaster, to give you a future filled with hope. Romans 8:28. The Common English Bible with the New Living Translation. We know that God works all things together for good for the ones who love God, for those who are called according to his purpose for them. Philippians 4:6-7, New Living Translation. 6. Don't worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything. Tell God what you need and thank him for all he has done. 7. Then you will experience God's peace, which exceeds anything we can understand. His peace will guard your hearts and minds as you live in Christ Jesus. Psalm 23 verse 1, Common English Bible. The Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. Romans 12 verse 2, Common English Bible. Don't be conformed to the patterns of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your minds so that you can figure out what God's will is, what is good and pleasing and mature.